Hello everyone! If you're facing the issue of your second monitor not being detected on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, don't worry. In this tutorial, we'll go through two simple steps to help you resolve this problem. So, let's dive right in! Step 1. Click Display Settings. Right-click on the Start icon and select Settings. Navigate to System and click on Display. Under Multiple Displays in the Scale and Layout section, ensure that both options are checked. Click on Detect to see if your computer recognizes the second monitor physically. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Right-click on the Start icon and choose Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics card, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the prompts. If the best driver is already installed but the issue persists, try updating the driver manually. Click on Update Driver. Then, browse my computer for drivers. And let me pick from a list of available drivers. Install an alternative driver if available. If you're using a NVIDIA or AMD, visit their respective website to download and install the latest drivers. For Intel graphics, search for Intel Auto Detect in your browser and use the Intel Driver and Support Assistant to update the drivers. Following this step should resolve the issue of your second monitor not being detected in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this solution worked for you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.